Hi guys, this is Furkan from book2wheel.com. Today I'm going to show you how to create a lookalike audience and audiences from your pages. We do a lot of Facebook marketing and I think it's a very good idea for me to share how do I create. Sometimes I'm very successful creating campaign and sometimes I'm really bad at it, but it's all about doing it and trying it. So it is like that. I'm just gonna close it. I was doing some test here and I did make some audience and all these things, so I learned something new. I'm gonna show you as well how to do it, so I'm gonna start all over again. So the first thing is that if you wanna create an ad, I will advise you to use Facebook Ad Manager, which you can search on Google it and then it will come. Then I would, let's say, start from here. Campaigns. I want I want to have people send me messages because I haven't set up anything like a website where people can go and order through my website. I haven't even have a landing page or anything. I am doing all the grocery thing through Facebook, just my customer support messenger, because people in the Philippines do not really engage with much on the Facebook level, in the website level, but they do engage with the Facebook. So I wanted people to write me and then I can send them broadcast using my broadcast method on their messengers. So I select the messaging part and then I'll move into my objective. Um, so this is actually my first time to do A/B testing. I want to use two images and see which one of the image perform better. So that's how I'm going to do that. So I'll continue and then it comes to destinations. Um, I want to have click to message. There is another option that will show in the sponsor messages, like it will be in your inbox. So I'll go for click to message just to see how it goes. I choose this audience, people uh, who I want them to show my ad, and that gives me an idea of audience. I have a Facebook pixel on my Facebook on my website, which I can use that, or I learned that I can do so much with creating a new audience. So what I want to do, I want to create a new audience, a custom audience. Since I mentioned that I have nothing to do on my website actually with the delivery, but I do have a lot going on with my Facebook page. So I want to actually use one of my Facebook pages to target through my book to wheel campaign. So I have this set up this page which is called Cebu Online Grocery, uh, which was specially target for Cebu market. Again, I'm always very niche to my market. I always start with one city and then expand it to another city. Now I do have option people who message me, people who visited my page, or people who engage with my page. That includes, I think, all of above. So I will use this one in order to do that. I'll give a name to my audience, would be Cebu Online Grocery page view audience. Create an audience. Now I just learned that you can also even create a lookalike audience of people who visited your page. So I'm gonna do that. It's meaning to say like all the people who visited my page, similar people who look like that, will be for my campaign. Now I want to target this campaign to Cebu. That's where most of my customers are. Uh, I want to target Lapu Lapu, and I am sure the Lapu Lapu is a part of it, or if not, then I'm just gonna add Lapu Lapu. Okay, it was a part of it. So it's the radius where I want to be targeted my ads. So you can see how. All right, so it says the data is not available. If I will create a simple audience without selecting, it might show me that how many people it can reach. I'm testing myself. This is the first time for me. Uh, if I remove this one and I select the random audience, which is based on their interest and all this thing, then I might probably have more populated uh, audience. I just want to try and see and test it. How does it go? Um, I know actually what's my target audience is, so I'm gonna go for this one. Uh, Language is mostly English. Um, so this is a good thing. I can add more. Let's click on who are the people who would like to order groceries. Um, Interest, uh, family relationships, food, drinks, fitness and wellness, um, shopping and fashion, behavior, digital activities, purchase behavior, go to engage shopper would be good. So, these are the things are also I'm going through as I'm creating this ad. Um, and you can try the same thing to create your ads as well. So this is something more is done. All right, I think that's a good thing that it can reach people beyond what I have selected. Connection type. So I would say people who like your page. Let's go with this one. Uh, Now probably which page I would say. Okay, add a page. So I can put Cebu online grocery. Okay, that's really good. So now I have a multiple page and I can actually target multiple page. Hook to wheel, let's say. Let's say hook to wheel delivery. All right. So I have used multiple pages, all of the people who have visited, and that would be about, in all, 30,000 people or 25,000 people. So I think we might have now some populated. No, we still don't have anything here. But this is a new thing. I didn't know that I could actually use my other target people who have visited. So I will try Cebu rental motorbike because uh, people who have visited my Cebu rental motorbike page probably be interested to get a grocery in Cebu. So what's happening is that I have one set A and I have to do the same thing for set B, but I can actually choose different audience, and that would be really good for me to test actually here. The things I have pretty much doubts, I can take them off in this one. So I'll create a new audience again. I'll give the name test. Wait, what do we have here? All right, so lookalike Cebu online grocery shop lookalike. These are the one I have created. All right, so what it does is that, on Facebook Pixel, I have been creating those audiences, and that's what it shows me through my website and engagement and all this thing. Um, what I could do actually to create a new audience, let's say custom audience. Let's try what it is. All right. I really don't know what it is. I'll go back. I thought I could do it, when you boost your ad, you could just pick up random audience, but you can't do that. Okay, that's fine. Um, what I will do, I'll go for create an audience. Now, click here. Um, so all of this audience, you can see that there are fewer than 1,000. Um, let's see what we get with custom audience. So when you create ad, it does take time. It's not just a magic thing that you just go on. So while I'm doing it, I'm recording it, so it's probably going to take me much more time to figure it out what I really want to happen here actually. Um, let's just leave this thing here, and let's try with just with location. Let's try with Cebu. All right. So if we let Facebook do, then I have audience of 400, I think 4 million people actually. Um, so I'm gonna stick with this one. It's just a testing B. So now I can go to the age group. Let's go to English. What do I need more? Okay, so people who match my interest and behavior. Let's go for demographic. Um, let's see, education level. In college, what do we have more? Professional degree. Some high school. Now financial, demographic is done. Interest, again, food and drinks, family and relationships, shopping and fashion, mobile device user. I actually really don't know what it is. I will leave it like that. um, I think we have a quite big size, let's say. Yeah, this is potential people we can reach. Reach more people. Connection. Let's say friends or friends who like, because we already have on test A. Let's go for this one. Pages. Cebu. Rental motorbike. Hook to hook to wheel. Delivery. Cebu. Online grocery. Cebu. Online grocery. No. Um, all right, now we have a test A and we have a test B. What is next? I think that's fine. Automatic placement is fine with me. So conversion. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Bid control. I'll leave this one. Let Facebook decide and see how it goes, and then I will take it from there. I want to actually set a date for the. All right, I think I can control it from here and then I can put the date. I'll try to run this ad, let's say for 8 days. And my daily budget, I will try to spend about, so this is in the Philippines and I would, let's say, spend let's say just to test €5 a day, and for 8 days, just to see how it will go. Continue. So I have to choose which page is actually will be showing this ad. So I go for this one. All right. Okay, I haven't actually created a Instagram for this connected page. It's fine. I don't want to have it on Instagram. Say, what do we have? Existing post. So we can actually choose what we recently posted. Um, yeah, so I'm just gonna pause the video here and do some things to see what's happened. All right, so I have actually selected the post which I want to target. Let's see, I'll start with select post. I think I will go with this post. Let's see what happens. I'm afraid that there is a lot of text, and Facebook, what it does, it might not show my ad. So that's why I'm using A/B testing. If something happen, I will quickly change this to something else. Um, Button, I'll use send us message. Here I can see how it will look. Actually, if there is, uh, I can see on different views how this ad will actually look like. So that's how my ad will look like. I can see the phone number is quite blurred. Um, so I have to fix this problem. So I did make some changes to my ad. I actually changed the picture and I have this with the different text. I just used a post which was already created on Facebook page. Use the page, use the selected page, which I already have this one. Um, Here I can make some messages. Something is wrong with my system. It's taking so long and I need to leave soon. I connected my Facebook Pixel account with this one. I made a UTM, which I know that this was my campaign. And I'll go and have a review. So campaign message, good. A/B testing. So what is happening is actually I will have one, two, default ad. Looks like that it's showing me only the one. Okay. This is a problem I'm having. It just gets stuck. So I finished it and now I can see it here. Just want to go and look the ad I created. So this is A/B testing. Look like Cebu Lapu Lapu. And soon I will see some result, and if not, I will come back and see what actually I did here, if I made any mistake or something like that. So that's my first one. I just want to see the other one. How does it look like? I was expecting that I could choose two different pictures on A/B testing, but either I have made a mistake. I could only choose the one, and I can choose a different audience, so I can show the same ad to different audiences. I think that's how it is. So I will take a look how it will turn out, and maybe I will increase my budget daily budget just to see how it will feel like. So this is how you create a lookalike audience, custom audience, and create A/B testing ad. I hope this video is helpful. It does take time when you create an ad, and prepare for that. Thank you.